All right, so sorry that one ran just a little bit long. There is one other type of problem that we need to look at because it'll be on your homework. So this one, you'll notice is different from previous ones that we've done because here they are set equal to 0, and here they are not set equal to 0. So the only thing that you have to do additionally here is that we need to make sure that we set it equal to 0. And we know that whatever we do on one side of an equation, we can do on the other. And so I'm subtracting 4c on both sides so that we can get, you guessed it, 0. And so now we've got 8c squared minus 4c equals 0. And so from there, everything's going to be the same. I'm going to go ahead and factor out a 4. I'm going to factor out a c. Our GCF is 4c. 4c times 2c is 8c squared. And 4c times negative 1 is going to give us that negative 4c. And that all equals 0. So our options are 4c could be 0, or 2c minus 1 could be 0. We're going to add 1 to both sides. 2c equals 1. Divide by 2. So c equals 1/2 is an option. Divide by 4 on both sides. C equals 0 is an option. So our options are c equals 0 or c equals 1/2. Again, pretty similar question. Only thing was that we had to set it equal to 0 first. So let's look another one. Maybe another one like that. Yep, there's another one. So we're going to undo a negative 15r with a positive 15r. Add 15r to both sides. They're not like terms because they don't have, we don't have the exact same variable with the exact same exponent. So we'll just write it as 30r squared plus 15r. This is 0, which is what we were going for. GCF between 15 and 30 is 15. And the GCF between r squared and r is just r. Pirate's favorite letter. 15r times 2r is going to give us that 30r squared. And 15r times 1 is going to give us the 15r. So we got two equations. 15r equals 0. 2r plus 1 equals 0. Subtract 1 on both sides. Oops, both sides, not same side. And so 2r equals negative 1. And divide by 2 on both sides. So r is negative 1/2. Or divide by 15 on both sides. R equals 0. So two options. R could be 0. R could be negative 1/2. Let's see if I have any more of those. Just one more. Bear with me. So we're going to subtract 9y on both sides. They're not like terms, so we'll just rewrite it. Negative 24y to the second minus 9y equals 0. First time we're looking at a negative number out front as something that we're looking for a GCF. A lot of the times they will say if the first term is negative, go ahead and factor out the negative. So let's give that a shot just so that you can see it for once. Looks like our GCF is negative 3. And so if we factor out negative 3 times, negative 3y, because they both have at least one factor of y. Negative 3y times 8y gives us the negative 24y squared, plus negative 3y times 3 gives us the negative 9y, but that still equals 0. Still going to set up two equations. Divide by negative 3 this time. Y equals 0. option 1. Other equation, 8y plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3 on both sides. 8y equals negative 3. Divide by 8. Y equals negative 3 over 8 is our other option. Homework, page 520, numbers 27 through 39 all. Make sure you show your work. Answers will be available during class only tomorrow, so you can check your work. And you can always ask the sub if you have any questions. She's been teaching math a whole lot longer than I have, so I'm sure she can answer your questions just fine. Have a great day.